So today I'm going to be making dinner. So as you see here, I have some sausage. This is all beef sausage, sliced at a diagonal. And I'm going to sit here and I'm going to fry it up in the skillet. Alright. Also, I have a pan boiling with water. So, whenever you know you need hot water, always get that started first so the water is waiting on you and you're not waiting for the water. Alright, so we got that started. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, so here's the water I was telling you about. So before the first thing I did after I washed my hands was fill this pan with water and get it on the boil. So it was waiting for me. So I'm going to put about 2 cups of wide egg noodles. Actually, they're extra wide. Sorry, it's all crinkly. Oh, that's too close. Extra wide egg noodles. Alright, so we're going to let these cook. Sorry, I knocked the camera sideways a little bit. That's alright, it still looks great, huh? I'm also going to put half a teaspoon of salt in there. Alright, so it takes about 7 minutes or so. Alright, so let's get back to the skillet. Alright, so my sausage is done. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the skillet very carefully. Don't want to drop all this or any of this. Alright, so now we have that done. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to be adding cloves of garlic because they're small. Alright, so let me go ahead and turn this back on low. So I'm just going to go ahead and roughly chop this. I know some people don't like garlic like this. I love garlic. You love garlic like I love garlic? Do you love me like I love you? Want you like I want you. Who sang that? See if I can do it. Okay. So I'm sure as they cook, they're going to become more tender. Alright, so we have our garlic in there. Alright, yummy, yummy garlic. I'm going to put some peppers in there. And a few onions. Don't quite have as much onion as I wanted, but that'll work, I think. Alright, we're also going to put a package of spinach in here. So lots of veggies. Yeah, I know it's frozen. It'll thaw. Alright, my noodles are done, so I'm going to go ahead and drain those while this stuff cooks. Be right back. Alright, so I kind of let this simmer. Ouch! So I let this simmer for approximately 10 minutes. And cut this a little bit better now. As you see, everything is thawed now. Everything is tender. Alright, so now what I want to do, look, I can chop this up a little better now. Saves chasing the garlic around a little more. I want to season this up. I'm going to use some seasoning salt. I think that's all I'm going to use because there's a lot of flavor in here as it is with all the vegetables, the garlic, and the onions. So, just a dash of seasoned salt. That seems like a lot, but it's got to season the noodles. Actually, I'm not going to put too much. I might season the noodles separately because I might decide to use this for something else. Alright, so we got everything mixed together. It looks so green. Alright. Put that meat back in there. Mix it around. I'm kind of wishing I had done like coin shape instead of this oblong shape. I was just trying something different. But hey, it's still going to be good. You could also use different vegetables if that's what you have on hand. You could use broccoli in here if you chose to do so. It's up to you. Okay. Alright, let's get this plated up. Alright, so we have our noodles here. I'm going to sprinkle, I guess, a moderate amount of parm. Alright, and so then, alright, so then I'm going to put a good amount of the meat and vegetable mixture on there. Here we go. Alright, so we got that. And now I'm going to sprinkle a nice dusting of Parmesan. Does that look? Does that look good? Alright, so there we have it. So we got a little bit of noodles in there, vegetables, and meat. So it's nice, and a little dairy because cheese is dairy. So we have a complete meal. Alright, well, let me make sure it's centered up so I can show you what it looks like and tell you thank you for stopping by. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Let people know about my channel if it's been helpful to you. Alright, well, let me get a fork to taste this. Alright, I think I'm going to try some of the veggies. It's actually really good. The spinach, the peppers, a little bit of onion, and the garlic go well together. And of course the meat has flavor since I cooked the vegetables in the meat where I cooked, or since I cooked the vegetables in the pan that I cooked the meat first, they have a lot of that flavor. So it's a good dish, and I know the meat is going to be good. So All right, so as I said before, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Tell others about my channel so I can hit that magical 1,000 subscribers so I can monetize. All right, thank you again. You all be safe out there. Take care.